Okay, so I'm riding now very slowly, around 9 miles, just to enjoy the breeze. And then here is very less traffic, so I can afford to do that. But then when I reach the signal up there, then I need to put on my canopy and then just zoom. So I still have a time. My next shift starts at 5, so I still have a time. So what I can do is I can just go turn right and go to Valley View and then have some drinks, and then I can come back. Yeah, and I can have some fruit. Okay, so now you need to buckle up. You need to put on the lash, and then you need to go here. So I need to turn right here. Here, turn right. So here, so I go here. So I think the benefit of velomobile compared to regular bike is, people notice velomobile very easily. That's one thing. And then because of that, they the brain, their brain, like come kind of immediately pay attention to the velomobile. So that's why velomobile is more safer than regular bike, I guess. And also people, I don't know why, they tend to give more space when you ride velomobile. You can see in the mirror, look, they don't need to give me such a space, but they are giving me, and I'm grateful for that. Those nice drivers, look, everybody kind of respect the beauty of velomobile. And even though I may not need the flag, but you can see I have a flag. So just for the peace of mind, that's it. But still, I think the velomobile is way more safer than regular bike, and also a human, like pedestrian. So here now,